In today's video, I'm going to show you how to see list growth in Klaviyo so you can track how your audience is expanding over time. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more email marketing tips. Start at the Klaviyo homepage. From your dashboard, navigate to the audience section on the left menu, then click lists and segments. This is where all your contact groups live. Find the list you want to analyze and click on it. Next, select the email option to dive deeper into its details. Here you'll get an overview of all the metrics that contribute to your list growth. Now, click on the Metrics and Insights tab. This is where the magic happens. You'll see key statistics like new subscribers added, unsubscribes, and overall engagement trends. Take a close look at these trends to identify patterns like spikes during promotions or periods of decline that might need attention. Regularly monitoring your list growth helps you make informed decisions, optimize campaigns, and ensure your email marketing strategy is always performing at its best. And that's it. You now know how to track and analyze your Klaviyo list growth effectively. Stay tuned for more guides to level up your email marketing.